We finished with the build of Thomas and Friends. Now we're gonna be playing with it. This train's name is Thomas. He's blue and he's number 1. This train's name is Henry. He's green and he has a number 6.
Hooray!
The train is gonna go over Vickers-Town Bridge. It's gonna go all the way back to the beginning. The train is gonna go through the green line and through Henry's tunnel. And it's gonna get the boulders and take it back to the beginning. This switch lets the train go. And this switch lets the green train go. Now we're gonna let the blue train go. It stopped so that it can get all the mail. The boat gives it mail every day. Now, the boat is gonna go away so that Thomas can go. Now we're gonna flip the first switch. Now we're gonna flip the second switch.
Hooray!
And this switch. Now we're gonna let the green train named Henry go. Now the train is stuck, so let's let it go. Now we're gonna make the trains race. They're gonna go all the way around and we're gonna see which one can come back to the beginning first. 3, 2, 1, go! Yay! The blue one won! Thank you everybody for watching our video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And wait for our next video. We post videos every day. Yay!